Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Lenovo Tab M10 Full HD Plus tablet. This tablet has a 10.3-inch Full HD screen and dual speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos for immersive entertainment. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The screen resolution of this tablet is 1920 by 1200. The impressive 10.3-inch screen has a wide-angle viewing, delivering picture-perfect visuals. With an all-metal body and ultra-modern design, this tablet stands out from the crowd. It is a modern-looking tablet that everyone in the family will want to use. Guys, let's see what's in the box. This tablet does not come with a free protective folio case or a screen protector in the box. So, if you are worried about scratching the display, a screen protector is a must-have. You can also opt for a folio case to protect your device when you're on the go. I believe having a free protective case and a free screen protector included in the box certainly would have been a cherry on top. Do you know that you can unlock your Lenovo tablet with a smile? Thanks to the face recognition technology that identifies you and logs you straight in. It's that simple and secure. Facial recognition uses nothing more than your face to unlock your tablet. It analyzes multiple parts of your face and combines all the features into a unique code that identifies you through the built-in camera on your tablet. Inside the box of this Lenovo tablet, you will find the safety, warranty, and quick start guide. This guide provides instructions on how to properly and effectively operate this tablet. This eject pin tool will help you to smoothly open, remove, and eject the card tray. It works well with all other smartphones and tablets, such as Lenovo and Huawei. This tablet comes with a Type-C charger cable at a perfect length of about 1 meter. It's neither too long nor too short. It is ideal for charging through a wall charger or connectivity with a computer. This tablet comes with a power adapter with 5 volts power supply. The 5 volts power supplies are one of the most common power supplies in use today. It is a portable charger that you can carry anywhere. With this tablet, you will enjoy speed and lots of storage space. This tablet comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. In terms of performance, this affordable tablet is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22T octa-core chip. The front camera of this tablet is 5 megapixels, and the rear camera is 8 megapixels. Guys, let's see what are the things on the sides of the Lenovo Tab M10 Full HD Plus. Are you ready? Please note this tablet does not have a SIM card slot. The tablet operating system is Android 10. The capacity of the battery of this tablet is 5,000 mAh. And quickly catches the coins into the box and says,